thought there is a problem. Okay. I thought there's a problem, guys. It is blinking a while ago. So I supposed to clean up here normally. So sometimes the water accumulate here. Sometimes it will not start. So you need to drain up here. If you know, you have to open it, and there's a kind of drainage there that you need to drain up the excess water. So I'm thankful it works. Otherwise, I will be cleaning. So this is how to operate, guys. Disclaimer: this is not sponsored. This is our machine here. So far so good. So that's the amount, appropriately amount. You can put 8 kilograms, and you can choose here if you want rapid 30 minutes. You can do it. And that's cotton. Delica, it means delicate clothes. Then is Suraj, Rasaj. This is the options that you can choose. Cotton, Delica. Here, mix. So if you choose the mix clothes, that's also an options. And if you want to wash cold, frua, you use cold water to wash it. So you can put here. But by this time I chose Delica, so 30 degree. Because if you put here, guys, antibacterial or antibacterian, 90 degree. So if you have a clothes which is delicate and you put it here, that's surely damage, guys. So make sure you will not get mistake between the 30 degree and 90 degree. Otherwise your clothes will really damage. It will be too crumpled. So with a hot temperature, it might create the damage of your textile or clothes. So if you have a cotton, you will choose here Frua cold rapid 30 minutes. That's quite fast, 30 minutes. Then 30 degrees Celsius, or you choose the 40 degree, or otherwise if you want to do some antibacterial, 60 degrees Celsius. So approximately, guys, for washing with some linens, dra, you know, the blankets, you can choose 40 degree or 60 degree. Otherwise, if you are washing like dirty linens or dirty something, you can choose the 90 degrees Celsius, like something you use for the floor to clean up. If you have something like that, so that would be advisable, 90 degrees Celsius. Then there is here like if you want to rinse only your clothes, so you can choose this part. Or it's like you are washing like a hand, so labad siya lama. So you can choose these options too. Or just to rinse up your clothes, you can choose this one. So it's easy to manage, guys. So handy and easily to understand. So this part 2 is labad, rasaj, and finish. So this sign will only tell you when your machine is in operations. So labad, so it means this time they're washing, they're cleaning it. Then after a certain minutes, it will or hour, it will post to rasaj. Then when it is finished, this light will be on. So it tells you that the machine or your washing is done or finished. So this is the number of revolutions that I choose: 400, 700, 1200. this sign, Aret or La Trisal. So this will light up, guys, when you see, sorry guys, Aret Lance Trisal. So this one is a timer if you want to schedule your washing. And this one, I forget this one. I am not using much this one. But if you know, guys, if you have the same machine, please comment down below. Because actually I forgot this one. I'm not using much. Well, comment down below, guys, if you have the same machine with me here. Well, anyway, this is our DIY basket, guys, for the laundry. And if you want to know, this is dismantled basket for the first time. I was able to make a dismantled basket. So you can, 4 sides can be dismantled. So that's a big basket, bigger than my washing machine, so I can put easily my clothes, dirty clothes. It's easy to put it there, everything like the dra or the cloth from the bed, so it's easy to put together here. So actually, guys, this is the intention of this one is not really for clothes, but I use it for my laundry. So maybe some of you might wonder why there is a hole. Well, just comment down below that, guys, then I will reply and give you some thoughts if you want to know. But I find it so useful and manageable and easy to use at home, because I could drop easily all my dirty clothes before I wash it, or whenever I'm not ready yet to wash. So I'm so glad for it, guys, actually. So well, till next time, and thank you so much, guys, for watching. So we're gonna go now. There is a hole here too, because it is actually customized by my friend, but she did not go for it for some reasons, because it is the place is quite far, so she's not able to make it. But I'm just telling her it's okay, because I'll be the one to use it, so I'm just glad. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.